What I wish I knew about the animal kingdom when I was younger. These creatures are absolutely incredible. Did you know that the mimic octopus can transform its shape to look like other sea creatures? Talk about a master of disguise. And get this, the Arctic tern migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back every year. That's over 40,000 miles. Ever heard of the pistol shrimp? It stuns its prey with a bubble bullet that's as loud as a gunshot. And the axolotl? This little guy can regenerate its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. Superpower much? But wait, there's more. The lyrebird in Australia can mimic almost any sound it hears, including chainsaws and camera shutters. Nature's rock star, anyone. So next time you think humans have all the cool tricks, remember these amazing animals and their unbelievable behaviors. Stay wild, folks!